So today we did open left turns, which look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we ended it with a box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we talked about taking our first step low, 1, the heel lead, then swinging open on 2, 2, rising into that step, hovering here, and stepping out on 3. Coming through low, 4, same thing here, we're taking our step to the side, rising into 5, hovering, and coming out 6. The other thing we talked about was our Contra Body position, where here our chests are pointing at one another. We take our step back, our chests are still pointing at one another, but our feet and hips are pointing along our line of movement. We unrotate as we come through for 4, but then we have the same thing as we come through this step.
I think we also talked about frame and how it's really important for us to still keep our frame expanded here. Followers, you're kind of still pushing up against your partner so you can feel where your leader is going.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.